We throw the term ultimate around a lot on YouTube, but with this setup, I don't think it's ever been more appropriate. Welcome to the biggest iteration of the setup yet, where we'll be playing in 4K with some of the most powerful hardware on the planet. It all starts with the display, and here we have the ROG PG27UQ, an insane gaming monitor that ain't cheap, but enables 4K G-Sync gaming at 120Hz for compromise-free gaming. Asus loaned this out for a few weeks, and playing PUBG on such a sharp and smooth display is a pleasure I'll never forget. But that's not all folks, as this is also a true high dynamic range display with 1000 nits of peak brightness that will provide jaw-dropping visuals in any HDR compatible title. Boot up Far Cry 5 and it looks simply phenomenal. Yes, it's not the most accessible display, and the 27-inch form factor means it's not going to be to everyone's tastes, but the experience you can get from this just simply blew my mind. But of course, we can't gaze into the ultimate setup without talking about the power that's needed to drive it all. We're in a brand new generation of graphics cards, and the new performance king is the RTX 2080 Ti. From the moment Nvidia supplied my review sample, I've been like a kid at Christmas, putting it through its paces and then smiling at the 4K frame rates that are swiftly returned. The whole thing's built inside the Corsair 280X, and there's definitely no RGB stone left unturned. This computer was very carefully crafted for performance, noise and visuals, but it definitely took a lot of planning with each of the manufacturers to get the right parts sent out for this build. I'll leave all of the components that are featured down in the description below for you, but I do want to give a massive shout out to Intel that provided a last minute i7-8086K, as there was no better gaming CPU for the job, and it really helped out. So the PC is pretty awesome. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and it is by far the best way to play multi-platform titles. But what if you want something that's a little more exclusive? Then chances are you'll want to grab Sony's 4K gaming console, the PS4 Pro. It's not the most powerful machine out there, but the sheer enjoyment you can get from its very reasonable asking price is mind-boggling. This year alone, we've already seen Spider-Man, Detroit and God of War all hit the console, and they not only look amazing, but they offer truly astounding experiences that really are worth giving up that silky smooth 60 FPS. Yes, it's a big shame that it doesn't have the UHD drive of the Xbox One X, but for PC players, it's probably the perfect companion. On the peripheral side of things, we're actually currently living through a software war, with each of the manufacturers all choosing to go their own way and prove that they've got the best system. But who's on top? For this setup, I've mostly gone down Corsair's route, and I've gathered my samples for the most complete iQOO RGB battle station yet. The star of the show is the K95 Platinum, a mechanical keyboard with seemingly every bell and whistle going. The full-size layout fits great on my desk, and with the Cherry MX speed switches underneath every single key, this is insanely good for fast-paced gaming. There's also a bank of macro keys along the left-hand side, and these can be assigned to any button combination, so all you need to do is fire up Fortnite and you'll find that the K95 may well be the perfect partner. The fun really starts though when we enable iQOO and fire up Far Cry 5. Not only is it a video game I've been really enjoying, but the entire Corsair RGB ecosystem integrates in real time, so whatever's going on screen and in the game can be reflected with your lighting. I just wish that there were actually more games supported, as at the moment it's, well, one. Just Far Cry 5 with Metro coming soon. It's not really the complete ecosystem yet, is it? Moving swiftly on to arguably the most important peripheral, the mouse. And while I do like Corsair's dark core, for me, it's the G900 that still takes the crown. Ever since Logitech sent this out, it's been my bread and butter for PC gaming. The wireless G900 is lightweight and comfortable, accurate and nimble, and easily my favourite on the market today. If there's ever a peripheral that really has the potential to change your game, it's gonna be the mouse, so always get the best one you can. Now, you guys are always telling me that I should be using a proper pair of headphones at my desk. This is actually something I get told off for quite a lot. But the truth is, I actually do, I just don't think I've shown them off before. While at university last year, I invested in these, the Shure SRH 1840s. If you're after some audiophile headphones to match your Tidal subscription, these are a fantastic choice, and are easily, hands down, the most comfortable pair of headphones I've ever used. They're open back, and as such they are only suitable for quieter rooms, but the audio quality here is phenomenal, and I'm blown away every single time I use them. If you're an audio nut, or you just want the best audio quality without entering the crazy money territory, these are definitely my pick. And so, this has been the ultimate gaming setup. What do you guys think? Is there stuff you like, stuff you would change, or something you think I'm doing completely wrong? Let me know down in that comment section below, but if you do want to check out current pricing or more information on anything featured here, I will leave it all down in the description below. I hope you have enjoyed it though. Do hit the like button if you have, and get subscribed for more videos just like this. But thanks for watching, thanks to Asus ROG for sponsoring this channel as always, and I'll see you in the next one.